So today I'm going to show you how to add mockups to images that have white space like this, or those that already have an iMac or an iPhone or an iPad, and how you can add your ebook or freebie or your website page to a digital tech screen. So it's actually very easy to do in Canva. Now, if you're going to use an image like the ones I have in the membership library that already have a tech screen in them, then all you need to do is you go to Elements in Canva and you're going to add a grid. So basically what you're doing is adding a placeholder for an image, and then you just need to resize that to fit the screen. So we're going to pop it in like that. And it's ready to go. So then we're going to go get the screenshot or image file that you have of your product. In this case, we're going to use a screen grab of my website. So we'll bring it down to the home page and just fit it into how we want it to look. And there we go. And that's how you add elements to the screens. So you basically just want to go into grids and click on one of these. The square one is probably the one you're going to want to use. Let's go down here and do that once again, just to show you. So we just add that element. I'm just going to leave a little bit of black space, the black frame of the computer screen around it. And then I'm gonna take a screenshot of my website and just highlight the part that we want just by moving this around. If you need to expand it, you can do that here. And then what I'll do is I'll also link an app you can use in Chrome to screenshot your website. That's very useful. Now, if you see it's looking a little bit bright, then you just go to Adjust, and then just bring down the brightness a little bit so it doesn't look too fake, if you know what I mean. And then let's go over here to where we have a blank space. So if we go to Elements, Frames, then you'll see Canva already has a bunch of tech mockups you can use. So there's a laptop, there's a screen, and there's an iPhone over here. So what you do is you just pop your screen there. You can resize it how you want. And in this case, you don't need to add a placeholder for the image as it's already here. So then we're just gonna drag and drop that in here. And there we go, it's super easy.